Greetings everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing about how to get Spike Volleyball coupon code. So to access it you need to head over to this particular site called Game Rant. Once you are there you can see the Spike codes, and the coupons code could be accessed using this all Spike codes. Head over to that and you can see some of the already used coupon codes in here. But what is going to be happening, sometimes you can try these coupon codes and sometimes they have reactivated some of these coupon codes, and so currently there is no active ones. But if you give your luck a try you can get all of these codes. You can see we have a wide range of options in here to choose from and try your luck. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, and I hope you got to learn something new and found these coupon codes helpful. If you did so, consider subscribing. Also, do not forget to leave a like and share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.